Hey guys, it's Danny the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Now, today I'm over here at the Steak and Shake at the South Point Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. The menu is quite, fast foodish, but they do have this here prime steak burger. I mean, ooh, it's more expensive than the regular burgers. My heavens, so I'm gonna get that prime steak burger, guys. So they have one called the white truffle prime. My goodness, truffle, expensive stuff, guys. $13.45, more expensive than McDonald's. Ooh, white truffle prime burger. It's only 6 ounces? Prime burger is only 6 ounces. My God, that better be good. Yeah, so all the cash I have now, I came to Vegas with 160 bucks. So all the cash I have, like 500 bucks, it's all casino winnings. Because I already spent the 160 I have.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, over the time, and just realized my wallet has always had money. Yeah, so it's all right.
Yeah, as long as you don't go overboard.
Yeah.
You're not paying 1,000 a hand on the blackjack. You're fine.
Oh, good. I was spending $10 a hand. Went downhill so fast.
You just want to have fun. Thank you.
Ooh, that looks fancy.
Want to try it?
No, but guys, look what Steve got. He got himself a shake. Fancy looking. Well, I got tap water. Get miss. I gotta try to get miss on the camera. Guys, right over here, that's the check-in lady. I'm gonna see if I can get her on camera. Oh, damn it. So guys, the check-in lady was very fun and friendly. So I'm gonna see if I can get her on camera for you. She's just right down over there. All right. Almost, guys, almost. She's just right at the end of the counter, and then she'll be right along. She's probably gonna be like, no thank you, but she's a lot of fun. Oh, thank you.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, it comes with the fries? How nice, thank you. All right. Well, before we take a closer look, I'm gonna see if I can get that lady. Aha! There you are. Hi. So I have YouTube channel. You wanna say hi? Oh, great. Hey, that's the lady.
Are you guys enjoying your food?
Yeah.
I'm about to.
Okay, let me know if it's good.
Okay, it looks okay so far. Want to try
My
some?
favorite ones.
One half? I'm not too hungry.
You want to do half?
Do you want half?
No, I'm okay. Thank you though.
Oh,
I'm about to leave. So go.
okay. Good night. Bye. She's nice. Aw. All right, now let's take a closer look. I'll tell you the truth, guys. It looks more exciting in the picture. Good night.
That looks really good.
Do I have?
So full.
Okay, so now I will cut the burger in half and show you the inside. Now I'm gonna spread it. It's not a lot of beef, guys. We'll give it a try.
That's a lot of cheese.
I feel like I just lost my dignity. All right, so pretty darn good. 9 for this thing. It tastes really good. It tastes so good. You know, it kind of reminds me of French onion soup because they got what looks like onions, right? Got cheese. It's pretty darn good, guys. Now let's try the fry.
Everything is okay?
Yes. that's
Yeah.
it.
There's a very skinny fry. I guess it's the specialty. Reminds me of that snack that you get in the bag for 25 cents and it's like potato sticks. Yeah, it's kind of like that.
There's some White Castle like this.
No. All right, another bite of the white truffle prime. So dignified. All right, guys. So, a perfectly good burger over here at Steak and Shake. A little bit pricey, but it sure was tasty. Thank you for watching. New Vegas video every Friday. And by that, I mean that every Friday there will be one. If there's more throughout the week, there's more throughout the week, you know, but that's a promise. New Vegas video every Friday.